This is Daf Chavav Amud Bet. The first Sugיא on Daf Chavav Amud Bet, from Tanu Rabbanan until Kashya. Tanu Rabbanan, the rabbis learned in a Braita. Ta'av lo yitpalel mincha, if a person made a mistake and did not pray mincha be'erev Shabbat, on Friday afternoon, mitpalel beleil Shabbat shtayim. He prays the Arvit of Shabbat, the Amidav Arvit shel Shabbat, 2 times. Ta'av lo yitpalel mincha b'Shabbat, if he makes a mistake and did not pray mincha Shabbat afternoon, mitpalel b'motzei Shabbat shtayim shel chol. Right? He prays the Amidah of Motzei Shabbat twice. Mavdil barishona. He makes havdalah, meaning he says in Atachonen, he says Atachonantanu. In the first Amidah, so again, Mavdil barishona, he makes havdalah in the first Amidah of Motzei Shabbat, and Mavdil bashniya, and he does not make havdalah in the second. Hivdil bashniya, and if he made havdalah in the second Amidah, v'lo hivdil barishona, and he did not make havdalah in the first one, then shniya al talo, the second Amidah works for him. Rishona lo al talo, the first one does not work for him. Lemeimra, does this mean to say, to kevan, that since the lo avdil bekamaita, he did not make havdalah in the first Amidah, keman lo tzalidami, keman, it's as if he did not pray, umehadrin ande, and we make him go back and say it yet a third time. So again, we see from this Braita, if a person did not pray mincha on Shabbat, he has to pray Arvit shel chol 2 times. And he's supposed to say havdalah in the first Amidah and not in the second. The reason is the first Amidah is for that immediate prayer, so that's for Arvit. And the second Amidah is the makeup, and the makeup is for mincha of Shabbat. And havdalah, of course, is not necessary for the makeup of mincha shel Shabbat. However, if he forgot to do it in the first Amidah, and he does it in the second Amidah, the Braita says the first Amidah did not help him, and the second one did. So the Braita, we understand from the Braita, that must mean that if he did not pray in the havdalah on the first, and he prayed and he said havdalah on the second, so that means the first one didn't work at all, and really that would make his second Amidah that he said, that would go for the Amidah of Aravit, of the immediate tefillah, which leaves the Amidah that he should have said for mincha. It's as if he didn't say it, so now he has to pray a third time to make up that mincha. Ura minhu, we have a contradiction from a Braita. Ta'av lo yizkir, if he made a mistake and did not mention givurot geshamim b'tchiyat hametim, he did not say mashiv haruach u'marit hageshem in the bracha of tchiyat hametim. Or if a person forgot to say she'ela beberkat hashanim, he did not say te'ental mata livracha in the bracha of the shanim in the Amidah, machzirin oto, the halacha is he has to go back to the beginning. Havdalah. But if he forgot to say havdalah b'chonen hadat, in that case, ein machzirin oto, you don't make him go back and say it again, mipnei sheyachol le'omera ala kos, because you could say it on a cup. So we see from this Braita that if you forget to say havdalah, it's no big deal. But in the first Braita, we said if you forgot to say havdalah in the first Amidah and you said it in the second Amidah, you have to go pray a third Amidah. So we see that why do you have to pray a third Amidah? Because you have to make it up. So the first Braita says you forget havdalah and tefillah, you have to make it up. The second Braita says you don't have to make it up. Therefore, the Gemara ends off Kashya. It's a question. It's a difficulty.